it flaunted, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check it. Oh, you watching me shake it. I can see it in your face, can't take it. It's blazing, but watch me hit amazement.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Schiana, and I welcome you with open arms. So for today's video, I'm doing a fall look, as you can see by my eyes. So if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. It's the first week of fall. I decided to do the fall look that you guys requested. So let's just hop right into it and get started. I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution's Forever Flawless Fire Palette. So this is the packaging. And then this is what the palette looks like on the inside. So I'm going to be using the black, which is Coal. This red, which is Inferno. Then I'm going to be using Lava and Ignite. So, if you're a friend of color, then you're going to be like me and you're going to start out with the black eyeshadow. But if you're not, you're going to start at the second step. So you can just watch and see what I do first, and then do it the opposite way. I guess not really opposite, but I'll show you as well. So I start off with Coal, which is the black, and I pack this directly into my crease. This black is not completely my favorite because it's not super dark, but it kind of helps in this case because I don't want the black to be like non-blendable, and this black is, so it's doing me justice. I'm just packing this directly into my crease in a half circle shaping because I want to make sure it's completely packed in. I'm gonna go in Inferno with my Morphe 321 brush, and I am going right on top of the black. So when I said that if you're not fond of color but you still want to do this look, you're gonna start with Inferno and you're gonna do it exactly just like how I did with the black. You're just gonna place it exactly how I am placing the black, but I'm kind of going directly on top of it, as you can see, because it's making me a deeper red shade. But then I'm also kind of pushing Inferno right on top and above the black. So it's kind of like black, black and red, and then red. That's how you want it to be. You want it to be layered. And then I take my Morphe 506 brush, and I'm using Lava, and I'm gonna swirl this into my red shade. So after this, then if you skipped the black step and just put your red on first, now is the time where you'd go back in and add the black. Since I put black first and then put red, I'm just doing it to kind of add my definition back in because the red kind of took away from it. If you get a lot of fallout I suggest you do this eyeshadow first. I did get a little fallout, as you can see, but it doesn't bother me because I'm just gonna dust it away. It's not really a big issue for me. All right, so once I've done that, now is the time where I go in and I cut my crease. Here lately I've been using, I don't even know what this is. I think it's a smudger brush from Morphe, but it's Morphe the M508. And as you can see, it's like concealer filled and eyeshadow primer filled. But basically what I do is I take my Anastasia eyeshadow primer and I will do just a little dot on my hand, because if you pick up too much then it gets messy, because this stuff can go a really long way. And I just coat it on both sides by dabbing it into there, and I go just like a half circle, just like I did with the rest of my eyeshadow, but I start directly in this inner corner right here. And I just pat. I like to do it a little bit lower than where I'm gonna place it, because I can go back in and make it neater. I just need to make my shaping first. And you can kind of see where it's like being like connect the dots, even though I'm not really making dots intentionally. Alright, and then I take my bigger concealer brush from Crown Brush. It's starting to get like rubbed off and whatnot, but I just take this and I pack it on to my lid. Okay. And then I go in with the same shades as I used on my crease and blend it out. I'm gonna do onto my lid. So I'm starting with the black, and I'm just patting this in to blend. Right now, let's pack my yellow, which is Ignite. And I do kind of go over the orange that I already placed, because I want it to be more gradient when I put orange back on top of it. So it is okay if you cover your shadow back up, because you just go back in and you add more. I'm just going back in, add in Lava, which is the orange shade. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use Smoke, which is this one right here. For eyeliner on the bottom of my waterline, I'm using this LA Colors eyeliner pencil in the shade Black. And it's so neat because it comes with like a pencil sharpener up at the top. And I'm gonna run this all the way to the inner corner, all the way out, I mean. I really prefer to use a kohl liner, but I can't find mine right now. And all I have right now is brown, and I don't want to use brown. Now I'm just taking kohl and blowing out my waterline.
Poppin' shipper boys only cause little baby in my bag, in my Birkin. No, none to five, put the work in. Flaws and all.
I'm gonna go in and do my glitter. So for glitter, I'm using two. I'm using the Revlon Eye Art in Dazzle Desert, and I'm using this gold. And then I'm using Makeup Revolution's Eye Glisten in the shade Dreamland. And I'm using this one. So I just kind of mix these two together. Yeah, so that's the glitter, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my top liner. So y'all already know my favorite liquid eyeliner is Wet n Wild's Mega Liner, and I have been doing like here occasionally, been like doing the inner corner like cat eye. So I'm gonna do that. I just line my eye first, just to kind of get that out of the way. And I want to like make it bigger here, so it kind of gives me that more dramatic effect. And then I take it and I go straight in. Just like that. I don't even know if y'all could have seen that, but I'll do it again because I have to make it crisp. See, and then I just kind of show. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on and do my lips, and then I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I'll wait. I'll give you enough time to, you know, hit that little red button down below. Enough time? Okay, cool. So anyways, I do hope that this was enough information for you guys for this fall look, you know, something that's not too crazy, not too hard to do, just kind of like simple but glam because it's a cut crease. So I know some people are iffy about cut creases, but I did want to make sure I did like a nice fall look for you guys. So I wanted to hear from you guys, your thoughts on it. So don't forget to comment down below. And if you have any other suggestions for me, just message me or let me know down in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.